Hello friends, welcome. Today we will discuss about one FlexiCap scheme of a mutual fund which has consistently performed very well since it was launched in 2013. The scheme was launched on 28th May 2013 and since then it has consistently beaten the index, the benchmark index, as well as its peers as such. The name of the scheme is Parag Parikh FlexiCap Fund. So, as I said, it was launched in 2013, and then, since the launch of the scheme, the direct plan has given almost 22% CAGR returns, which are really decent returns in my opinion. Again, it is not a recommendation, as usual, disclaimer that I am not a SEBI registered advisor. You may take your own call. I am just giving the information about this fund to you. In fact, if you see, consistently it has got a high ranking in its category of FlexiCap. In fact, earlier you might be aware that this was a multi-cap scheme, and after SEBI has mandated that multi-cap scheme must have 25% minimum allocation to each category of large cap, mid cap and small cap. Most of the multi-cap schemes, they changed to FlexiCap scheme. Accordingly, this scheme also changed its name to FlexiCap. Earlier the name was Parag Long-Term Equity Fund. So they changed to FlexiCap category and continued to perform well. In fact, the ranking of the category is usually first ranking or second ranking during various time periods, during last about 7 years or so. If you see their stock mix, it is roughly about 82% in giant and large cap and only 18% in mid and small cap. Now you would be wondering, because I have said that if there is a tadka of mid cap and small cap, obviously the returns could be higher normally. We had seen in case of Axis Blue Chips Fund, which is pure vanilla large cap scheme, they are given 14%, but it's because there is absolutely no allocation to mid and small cap stocks. But here, in spite of having only 18% allocation to mid cap and small cap stocks, this fund has consistently given a very good performance. What could be the reason for that? I will come to that a little later, maybe after some time. Now, if you see the sector-wise allocation, the fund manager has taken a conscious call of putting more than 50% of the fund amount in technology and finance sector, financial services sector. So it is more than 50%. Just imagine. Both the schemes, we had discussed this in case of Mira Focus, that there also the fund manager has taken a conscious call of giving more allocation to technology and financial services. I explained the reasons also in that video. So here also this fund manager has given allocation to technology and financial sector to a great extent. Now, when we talk about technology sector, I am coming to the reason why this fund has outperformed everybody, and that too so much consistently over a long period of about 7 years. It has got a ranking of first or second, or maybe once in a blue moon probably the third ranking or something like that. It is because this is the only fund where you will get exposure to foreign equity. This fund has invested almost 30% of its corpus in US giant companies like Google, Microsoft, Facebook, Amazon. There is a very small allocation to Suzuki Motor Company of Japan by way of ADR, but otherwise 30% of the corpus of this fund is invested in giant companies of US. So if you want to have a foreign exposure without directly investing in the foreign equity, this could be the fund for you. So here, and just imagine the kind of returns that US companies have generated in the long run, as well as probably this fund might have got even the benefit of exchange rate fluctuation also, because there it is dollar denominated investment. So obviously return wise this fund has got a sort of leeway or a sort of edge over the other flexi cap schemes because of its almost 30% allocation to US giant stocks like Facebook and all that, as I mentioned earlier. So this is the reason why this, in my opinion, why this fund has performed consistently performed is because US markets, we know that they are performing very well. In fact, all these technology companies like Google, Microsoft, Facebook, the kind of revenue they are generating year after year, and that too with growing revenue, obviously their stock price is going bound to perform very well in the US market. So obviously that performance is also reflected in the performance of this fund. So if you have liked this video, please press the like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel so far, please subscribe so that you will receive the future notifications, and also share this video with others so that others can also get the benefit of this information. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Sri Ram.